Lexi snoring part 3. Last one was so good. Alright, that was the 3 parts of Lexi snoring. She's probably not going to stop.